Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can convert a CSV file into a vCard file. Let's drag our CSV file onto Easy Data Transform. Here we can see we have a simple contacts file with first name, last name, company, telephone, and email. First of all, we want to combine the two name columns into one column. We can do that with the concatenate columns transform. And we want to put a space between them. Now let's get rid of these two columns. Finally, we need to rename the columns to something that vCard format will recognize. Now we can output the data. Choose vCard as the format. We probably don't want to output a byte order mark, as the vCard format won't recognize it. We can also use multiple different encodings, but we'll stick with UTF-8 for now. Let's look at the vCard file we've created. Here it's showing the first contact. Let's save the transform file to use again. If we've got a whole folder full of CSV files we want to convert, we can do so using batch conversion. See our batch processing video for more detail. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial now.